Dyson V6 vacuums are powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V6. The small, light motor sits at the heart of the machine. It has been developed specifically by Dyson to deliver powerful suction. The machine's core components are located around the hand. Combined with a lightweight aluminium wand, it's lightweight and balanced for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Developed especially for hard floors, the soft roller cleaner head is engineered to remove both large debris and fine dust simultaneously. And a direct drive motor sits within the roller, allowing full-width, edge-to-edge cleaning. Dyson V6 Absolute also includes the direct drive cleaner head. It has 75% more brush bar power to drive bristles deep into carpet, removing more dirt. An efficient post-motor filter delivers whole machine HEPA filtration, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. Two-tier radial cyclones generate high centrifugal forces, flinging particles of dust and dirt out of the air and into the bin. Dyson V6 vacuums quickly and easily convert to a handheld, with Dyson engineered tools for all-round cleaning. The docking station stores and charges the machine, so it's always ready for use.